Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not promoting piracy or external software. Everything shown here uses CapCut's built-in tools and folders already on your computer. So first things first, let's download CapCut to our desktop. So open any browser you want and type CapCut in the search bar. Now, let's click on CapCut Desktop right here, and it will take us to the official website. Now, on CapCut's website command, click on the download button at the right upper corner of the page. Then CapCut will redirect you to a new page, and wait for the CapCut software installer to be downloaded onto your desktop, so just wait for a while for it to be downloaded. Now, after the installer is done downloading, open the installer and just follow the on-screen instruction to install CapCut on your desktop. And when you are done, open the CapCut software. And when you open CapCut, you will find the homepage interface just like this. And the first thing you have to take note of is that I haven't signed in with any account. And this steps works very well, even without you been signed in. And also, when you come to the settings here and you come to version, you can see I'm using version 7.0, which is the latest version. Now, let's create a new project and show you all the good stuff I have for you in this video. So I have opened a new project, and this is the new interface with some insane features. Now, let me click on import and import a video to the media panel. And for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to trim the video before adding it to the timeline, but you can import your video. And now I will add it to the timeline, and I will trim it a bit again because I don't want this tutorial to be long. Now, I will click on this icon right here to zoom the video to fit the timeline. Now, let's add some pro features to this video. And the first one I will add is captions, since most people use this feature to their videos when editing. So let's go to captions and generate some captions for this video. So just wait for the caption to be generated. When your caption is done generating, let's add some pro animations to the captions. So let's go to animation right here. Then I will come to this side where the custom captions is located. And I will also add a pro animation to the captions. So I will also go to filters and add some filter to the video. And I am going to add this 4K filter to the video. And when you are done editing your video and you try to export it, you won't be able to export it with all the pro features you have used in your video when editing it. So let's go back to our edit. And this is where the crucial steps is going to start. So follow it very carefully and make sure you are done editing your video. Before you start this process, the first thing to do is to highlight everything on the timeline, then right-click and create a compound clip. Then go to Basic under the Video tab. Now scroll down till you find the Motion Blur feature. Now click on this box right here. Then set the blur to 0. And then wait for the motion blur effect to finish processing. And for the processing, it take a while depending on your video, so just wait patiently for it to finish processing. Now that our motion blur effect is done processing, it's time for you to get your video. And this part of the step should also be followed carefully, because if you miss one step, it might not work for you. So let's minimize CapCut's interface. Now open your File Explorer, which is just right here on the taskbar. So click on it to open it. So let me maximize the window to fill the screen for you. To see everything clear now, come to the left side of the folder and click on this PC after opening that folder. Open your local disk, and that's where all data from softwares are stored. Now, after opening the local disk, now look for the users folder and open users folder. And mine is just right here. After opening the users folder, open the folder with the name of your PC, and mine is Dell, so I will open the Dell folder. Now, inside the Dell folder, look for the app data folder. And if you can't find the app data folder, it's sometimes hidden, and to reveal it, come and click View tab right here. Then, when you come to the Show or Hide section, you will see this hidden items here. And if you checked it, all hidden folders will appear. So now, let's open the app data folder. And inside the app data folder, open the local folder, and now inside the local folder, search for the CapCut folder and open it. Then inside the CapCut folder, open the user data folder. And inside the user data folder, now look for the cache folder and open it. Now inside the cache folder, look for motion blur folder, and mine is right here. So I will open it, and as you can see, all the videos that I have tested is right here. And I have tested a lot of video, and it works every time. So this is our video, so let's open it. So now, this is what you have to do. You can either use your video right there, or you can drag and drop into CapCut again. and I am going to move the video to the starting point, and then delete the original one I created. And now, if you try to export, you can export your video without any issue. So let's go to export and export our video. And when exporting, you can change the resolution to the one you want. And also the FPS to the one you want. And you are good to go. Now, you can export your video with all the pro features. Before we end the video, this is a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not promoting piracy, third-party apps, or illegal downloads. Everything shown here uses CapCut's own built-in folders.